I'm Sam and this is Ryan with Launch the Journey. Today we want to talk to you about why to start social media marketing.
So welcome back.
I'm Sam, this is Ryan with Launch the Journey.
So if this is the first time you've ever been to the channel, we would like to introduce ourselves, tell you that we want to help people launch their journey into achieving financial freedom and time freedom with their business from home. So we'd like to ask you to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever we release new videos. If you enjoy the content, hit the like button and interact with us down there in the comments. Right. So in today's video, we're going to talk about why to start social media marketing. And the main reason is it is organic traffic. Now there's two different forms of traffic. There's paid ads and social media marketing. Now long term, if you do social media marketing, let's go long term, saying 3-4 years down the road. We are sharing our videos on Facebook and Instagram as well. As soon as Sam here posts them, you know where she's supposed to. But during the day, while I'm at work.
He's getting off track now.
No, but if you're looking long term, like 3 or 4 years down the road, I mean, and you're working on organic traffic and on your social media marketing, you're going to develop people who relate to you. So if you've ever watched the movie called Law of Attraction, if you haven't ever watched the movie called Law of Attraction, I would definitely recommend it. And I'm pretty sure it's called Law of Attraction. Or it's called, no, I take that back. It's called The Secret. The movie is called The Secret. And it talks about the secret to the 1% of the billionaires. And it's basically using law of attraction. That's basically what the movie is about. So whenever you're on camera, like we are currently, you know, shooting a YouTube video, you be yourself. You know, don't be anybody else, just be yourself. And let the people who relate to you, you know, come to you. You know, the people who relate to you, who like your channel, are going to hit the like button. They're going to hit the subscribe button. Why? Because law of attraction is at work. You're not trying to be fake. You're not trying to be anybody that you're not. And, you know, whenever you develop 100,000 subscribers, we currently have 4. This is a brand new channel, so we'd like to ask you to hit the subscribe button to help build us up. Our first goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. We're currently at 4. So this is the second week that we're starting this channel. And so eventually we will hit 1,000 subscribers. And the reason why we know that is we're not going to give up. So make sure whenever you take this road into organic traffic that you stick for it long term. That way whenever you do hit 100,000 subscribers or 200,000 subscribers, that you know those people, you've got a really solid base there, is because you've used law of attraction on getting those subscribers.
Being transparent.
Being transparent. On social media marketing, there's quite a few different channels you can use. You can use your Facebook page, you can start Facebook groups, you can do Instagram, you can do YouTube, you got Twitter, you got Pinehurst, is that one? I don't use
Pinterest?
Pinterest. And then you got LinkedIn, which is more business.
That's like, yeah, business to business.
Business, but it is still a social media platform if you're in that market.
Yeah, LinkedIn's very good for business to business.
Yeah. Mainly, I would put that as mainly like physical business locations. I don't think like internet marketing. I mean, I guess you could,
Yeah.
but
Yeah, you would. Like, you can use that for
but
your online marketing.
Isn't
We
it
can do a
like-
video of that, actually, which social media platforms are best for which businesses.
well, we could do.
We could do that. So subscribe for future videos if
Yeah.
you want to know which social marketing platform is best for what.
Yeah. So we currently have a Facebook page, Instagram, and YouTube, and those are the 3 main ones that we're going to build up for our affiliate marketing. business.
Yeah, YouTube is really good for what we're doing because we want to help people as well as just like, again, we want to help people as well as achieve success on our own. We want to bring people with us so people can start their journey. So YouTube is really good for us to put out free content like this on, you know, how to do things.
Why to start social media marketing was the title to this video. And so when you're talking about organic traffic over the long term, if you're able to slowly build up to 2, 3, 400,000 subscribers, and maybe you take off and you wind up, you know, over a 6 or 7 year period, you wind up getting 1 million subscribers. You got an audience that you're going to release a video to and be able to access 1,000, or not 1,000, but 1 million customers all at one time. Now, if you were to have to make that same what's the word I'm looking for? If you were to have to make that same advertising cost, let's say, of 1 million people on paid ad side, it would cost you a lot of money to reach 1 million customers. So whenever you're wanting to start social media marketing, it's because it's free. It takes some time to build up, but it's organic. You're using the law of attraction, and long term, you're going to be able to make a full-time living without having to pay, you know, a lot of money for paid ads.
Yeah, and you can use content that you've written multiple times on different platforms, videos multiple times on YouTube, and it's going to get seen 1 year, 2 years, 3 years down the line, and it's still going to be relevant. You know, as long as the platform's going, the information you provide on this is timeless. So
yeah, and YouTube's owned by Google, so I don't foresee Google going anywhere. They're one of the biggest companies in the world. YouTube is, I think, the #2 search engine out there, Google being #1 and then YouTube being #2. I think it was 4 million views a minute, something like that. Crazy. But yeah, so why to start social media marketing is basically what we described. It's organic, it's free. Long term, it's going to help you not have to use paid ads to start with, especially if you're looking to build a revenue up long term. You've got to use social media marketing, and you'll want to use multiple channels. You know, while you can make a full-time living from YouTube, you want to split those up because, you know, I'm sure you probably got faith in whatever job you're currently working, but to put all your eggs in one basket, we've all been told not to do that. So, you know, you want to build up a YouTube channel, you want to build up your Facebook. It's because it's owned by different companies. So if one has a problem, or even technical problems, you know, maybe the servers go down for a month. You know, you never know what's going to happen. But for the chances of you know, multiple company servers going down at the same time is slim. So make sure you build up multiple channels all at the same time as well, while building your organic traffic.
And so you can think of it like when you begin a career, you don't expect results overnight. You have to go through a learning process, and you have to stay consistent with it, and you have to stay dedicated, and it's going to take you a few years. Well, this is no different. Don't expect results overnight with it.
Yeah.
But if you keep going with it and you're consistent with it and you do what you plan to do and you set your goals and you stick to your goals, then over time you will be able to move away from the marketing that's costing you money, and you'll be able to rely on your organic social media marketing. And then obviously everything that you put into your marketing is going to be a whole lot cheaper, and you still may choose to use paid ads, but your return on investment is going to be a whole lot better because your advertising costs are going to come right down.
Yeah, I think along with that, your paid ads, you'll be able to use your story, your success story. You know, so by the time you get to that point, your organic traffic's taken off. You're obviously making money with the affiliate marketing business that you've chosen, and then you can use your own story for the paid ads to make the conversion rate even that much more. But we're going to wrap up the video there. We hope you enjoyed the content. You know, please hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be able to get our videos in the future. Hit that bell notification. Interact with us down there in the comments, like the video, and we'll see you on the next one.